This demo is to show how to use the repeat feature in test case level. First, let's log in into the Akra Cloud account. Once after logging in, navigate to the Automation Assets page. Here, I have already created the required test sets and test case. To enable the repeat feature in test case level, click on the Edit Test Case icon of the corresponding test case, which is shown on the right side of the panel. Repeat feature in test case level are used to repeat the execution of a particular test case multiple times automatically. Based on the user's requirements, the test case execution will be repeated any number of times with same set of data or different set of data. Under repeat feature in test case level, we have three options: no repeat, repeat with Excel, and repeat without Excel. No repeat is for executing the test case only one time. Repeat with Excel option is for repeating the execution multiple times with data taken from Excel. Repeat without Excel option is for repeating the execution of the test case multiple times with same set of data. Now we'll see how to use repeat without Excel option. Once after selecting the repeat without Excel option, enter a number in the test case repeat text box as per your requirements. I'm entering the number as 2. Once after updating, click on Update button. Now we have enabled the repeat feature in test case level successfully. The next step is to create a new automation execution. So click on Add Automation Execution button. Enter the execution name. Choose a product name. Enter the product version. Choose a product URL. Select the automation set and click Create button. Navigate to the automation execution page and see that the newly created execution is listed here. I have already turned on the Akra engine. So click on Run Test icon of the corresponding execution. Enter the iteration name. Choose a browser. Select the automation set and click Run button. The engine has triggered the execution. This test case is all about creating a new sales order in sales order application. As we have entered the test case repeat number as 2, the same test case will get executed 2 times with same set of data. It has completed executing for the first time. It has completed executing the second time as well. Once the execution is over, it will show the appropriate results in the engine GUI. Let's navigate to the execution area of the corresponding execution, expanding the iteration and the test sets. As we have updated the test case repeat text box with number as 2, it has executed the same test case 2 times with same set of data, and it has updated the results accordingly. Once after each execution, reports will get generated in both PDF and Excel formats. To view the report in PDF format, you can click on the PDF icon. To view the report in Excel format, you can click on the Excel icon. Also, consolidated reports and other execution details will be sent to the user's registered email address. Thank you.